Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Chash and Yak Shimash, and welcome to 2023. One of the first videos which isn't washing machine related or vacuum related is a watch video. I've done a number of watch videos and a number of you love watches like I do. I have a collection of nothing expensive Citizen Eco watches and Pulsar Solar. I'm not wearing a watch today. Right, this was a gift for Hubby-Lux for Christmas. I bought myself a Citizen watch, Eco Drive, and the guy who was selling them, I went to pick it up off eBay, and I got this one as well. Now, I've never heard of that brand before, but I do like the picture. New York. I think that picture was taken maybe in the 60s. But there we have the Empire State Building. A few other buildings. Probably most of them don't exist now. It's an old picture. Anyway, blah, blah, blah. Doesn't work. Needs a new battery. It's a very nice watch. But battery's gone. Nothing. Niente. Nada. That's just... There's nothing else on it. No. Right. It's got like a silicone rubber strap to it. Japan movement, China band. Designed in New York by the Belova Corporation. Oh. Stainless steel, water resistant. There we have some mark numbers on it. It's quite a nice looking watch. I do like it with the white strap and then the black face. That does sort of like set it apart. It looks really nice, very snazzy and stands out. But I have to put a new battery in it. So I'm trying to work out. Okay, I can see a little thing there to pull it out. Belova. Ooh, that's posh. Right, I've got my very basic watch kit thing here that you get from Amazon, eBay, basic watch kits. Let's have a look. Right, now I have a special spudger for that, which is not here. Hang on a second, let me go get my spudger. Okay, this little spudger will do. That's the only way to spudge it off. Jesus, Mary and Joseph, this is how you do it. This is the special spudger for it. Oh my lord, that was as tough as nails to get off. But I did. Unfortunately, I've caused a little bit of scratch in there, but... Right. So, we have the battery. There. There we go. Battery out. God, that battery is tiny. And typical, none of the batteries I've got will fit it. Get my little microscope magnifying glass out. I can't see what that is. That is tiny. Hang on. Okay, so I've just ordered a pack of the batteries from Amazon Prime for £5.99. That's going to be delivered by tomorrow. I didn't realise the batteries on this were going to be so small. So I'm just temporarily going to leave everything there. I'm going to pop it back into the box and wait for the batteries to arrive so we can get that fixed. Okay, I'm back. It's been a week later because I had to go down to my mum's funeral. So I ordered a load of these batteries. They look like googly eyes. So let's go back to the repair. Take the cover off. There's no battery in there. Tiny little battery. And out it comes. And there we go. Ticking. Put the cover back on. I think I'm going to have to do it this way first. There we go. Oh, you little monkey, stay in. There we go. It's not quite on. It's a very tight fit. Yeah, there we go. Nope. It's not happy. I need one of those watch back presses. There we go. Now it's in. Right. Set the time. 3:06. Yep, there's the little stopwatch. Reset. Set the date. Which is the 6th. Does it go back? No. And there we go. Very simple, very easy to do. Oops. There we go. It's quite a nice, I do like the dark face on it. That's good, it's got the stopwatch. Reset. So there we go. That's the little Caravell watch with a new battery in it. One thing I want to do is, I don't know anything about Caravell, if they're good or bad or not. So let me get my other phone and let's do some Googling. So they seem to 29.69 Caravell ladies rose gold, £135 there, 59, 89. Vintage Caravell, 33. They're not expensive. Yeah. So the version of that with the white, bit different, but that's only £20.99 from Gadgetize. So yeah, they put all these fancy packaging on it and stuff, but they're not that expensive. But it's still quite a nice looking watch. I will let you know in the future how long the battery on that lasts, but for now, there we go. And I've got loads of batteries left over now to do other, because I've got lots more watches that need batteries replacements, but I'll do them all in one big bulk. Until then, I'll see you next episode. Bye y'all.